Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Google account must be verified and two-step verification turned on, because that unlocks channel controls. Once done, sign into YouTube with the account that owns or manages the channel. Make sure you switch profiles if necessary. Now open YouTube on a desktop browser and click your profile icon, then select YouTube Studio to start activation. This first step grants access to analytics, upload defaults, and monetization pathways as you continue. Next, you handle permissions and feature checks. Open YouTube Studio and follow prompts to accept terms. This initializes dashboards and tools. Make sure to go to Settings then Permissions to add managers or editors using their Google emails, because proper roles prevent accidental access issues later. Once roles are set, check the dashboard and the channel status to confirm uploads, live streaming, and monetization features are enabled. If a feature is unavailable, note required verification steps and complete them before proceeding. To finish activation, customize channel settings, branding, upload defaults, visibility, and billing, because these controls determine how content appears and how you earn. Once configured, upload a short unlisted video to verify Studio upload flow and watch subsequent analytics populate. This proves activation succeeded. If you encounter errors or Studio won't load, try incognito mode or another browser, clear cache, or temporarily disable extensions. Make sure two-step verification is working. If not, reset it to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.